In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Portfolio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple, clean portfolio view inside Benzinga Pro using watch lists, so you can track the stocks that matter to you in one place. Think of a watch list in Benzinga Pro as the practical way to organize your portfolio symbols. It keeps your tickers visible alongside real-time quotes, news, and other data without any complicated setup. First, open Benzinga Pro. You can do this in your web browser or the desktop app. Give it a moment to load, and once you're in, you'll see the main workspace with a sidebar on the left. That sidebar is your navigation hub. If it looks minimized, hover over the edge or expand it so you can see the full list of tools. Next, click Watch List in the left sidebar. This brings up the area where you'll create and manage the list that represents your portfolio. Inside the watch list panel, look for the option labeled Plus New Watch List and click it. You'll be prompted to create a fresh list. Give it a clear, memorable name, something like My Core Portfolio or Long-Term Holdings, so you can find it instantly later on. Naming is optional in spirit, but a descriptive label helps you stay organized as your use of the platform grows. Now it's time to add your stocks. In the watch list's input field, type a ticker symbol and press enter. For example, you might type AAPL for Apple, MSFT for Microsoft, or TSLA for Tesla. Each time you press enter, that ticker is added to the list. Keep going, one ticker at a time, typing and pressing enter until your portfolio lineup is complete. If you're unsure about a symbol, double-check it before hitting enter to make sure you're adding the right listing, especially for companies with similar names. Consistent tickers mean cleaner data and a more reliable view of your positions. As you add symbols, you'll see prices and other details populate in real time. That's the power of using a watch list as your Benzinga Pro portfolio. It becomes a live snapshot of the market activity for your holdings. You can revisit this watch list anytime from the left sidebar, and it will update automatically during market hours. If you want to refine it later, simply return to the watch list and continue typing new tickers, pressing enter to add them. That's it. Open Benzinga Pro, click Watch List, create a new list, and add your stocks by typing the ticker and pressing enter. Simple, fast, and ready for action.